The Takhat Nashini, ceremonial installation of Imam Shah Karim, also known as Aga Khan IV, occurred in several locations in 1957 and 1958, with the first ceremony held in Nairobi on 22 October 1957. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1957, Nairobi, Kenya, 22 October 1957. Kampala, Uganda, 25 October 1957. Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, 19 October 1957. 1958, Karachi, Pakistan, 23 January 1958. Dhaka, East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, 12 February 1958. Mumbai, India, 11th March 1958. Other locations: Pemba, 18th November 1957. Although the transition of His Highness Prince Karim, Aga Khan IV, 11th July 1957. The Takhat Nashini, ceremonial enthronement of Imam Shah Karim, was commemorated in Bombay on 11th March 1958 at Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium. 2 days prior, on 9th March, the Imam called upon Qamariya Hassan Ali Zawari and instructed him, "Bring diamond buttons on rent to adorn my sherwani, long coat." Qamariya Hassan Ali Zawari sought out a well-known Hindu merchant, Tribhuvan Bhimji Zawari, and requested the diamond buttons. The merchant agreed and said, "You may collect them tomorrow." When Qamariya inquired about the rental price, Tribhuvan Bhimji replied, "I do not wish for any payment. I only ask that your Guru, Imam, visit my shop." The next day, Qamariya collected the buttons and presented them to the Imam, who admired their beauty. Upon learning of Tribhuvan Bhimji's humble request, the Imam graciously accepted the invitation. Following the Takhat Nashini ceremony, the Imam honored the merchant's request and visited his shop. Tribhuvan Bhimji was overjoyed by the Imam's presence. The Imam expressed his appreciation, thanked the merchant, and after 4 minutes, departed. However, something extraordinary happened that day. With the Imam's sacred footsteps blessing the shop, an unexpected surge of customers filled the store. The crowd became so overwhelming that 3 separate queues had to be formed to manage the rush. When asked about the sudden influx of customers, Tribhuvan Bhimji pointed to a calendar hanging on the wall, which bore the photo of the Imam, and said, "It is due to his gracious mercy